Hello, everyone. You're going to be reading a book today called Break It Down: How Scientists Separate Mixtures. Now, I included a link to a YouTube video in which I read aloud the whole book, Break It Down: How Scientists Separate Mixtures. So, you could either go to that video and watch it and listen to me read it, or if you want to turn the volume down and read it on your own, that's perfectly acceptable as well, of course. There on the in the description of the video, you should see a link to broken down by page, so you could flip through the book back and forth through the book if you want. So this book is about how scientists separate mixtures. So let me quickly give you a reminder of what a mixture is. So first of all, before we talk about a mixture, let's ask what a substance is. So a substance is matter that is made of only one type of atom or molecule. Matter is anything that takes up space, so literally everything around us is made of matter. And think about things like water, which is only made of the H2O molecule, or gold, which is only made of gold atoms. Now, most things in the world aren't just pure substances; they're mixtures. So, a mixture is matter that is made of two or more substances. So you'll see that in the book as well. They'll go into more detail, giving some examples of mixtures, but really mixtures are all around us. Okay. So what you guys are going to be doing today, you're going to be completing this worksheet before you read the book, and then you're going to be revising the worksheet after you read the book. This is a Google Doc, which you'll see a link to. So let me go over the directions before reading the book, break it down. And you guys have filled out sheets like this in class as well, so it should look familiar to you. Read the sentences below. If you agree with the sentence, write an A on the line before the sentence. That should say in the box. I'll change that. If you disagree with the sentence, write a D in the box before the sentence. After you read the book, see if your ideas have changed. Be ready to explain your thinking. Okay, so if I go down here and I click inside the box, it should let me enter either a D or an A. Okay, so I'm going to fill that out. Let's say I think I agree with all of the statements. I would type A, which is probably unlikely, right? And then I read the book and I change my opinion. I think that this first one I disagree with. All right, so I would change it to a D. And then when I'm finished, I'm going to press this button, which should be different. It should say, you should see a button that says turn in, and you're going to press that, and I will be able to see your answers. Now, don't worry if you got them all 100% right. The idea is that we're still learning about mixtures, so we might not get everyone right, but you should get most of them correct if you pay attention to the read aloud. All right, thank you guys. Look forward to seeing your